The Oromo Nation, one of the largest ethnic groups in Ethiopia, has a vibrant and rich culture that sets it apart. Oromo's traditional societal structure, known as Gadaa, is a highly organized system of governance that has been recognized by UNESCO. This speaks volumes about the Oromo's sophisticated political and social organization skills. The Oromo people's language, Afaan Oromo, is one of the most widely spoken languages in Ethiopia, reinforcing the Oromo's significant contribution to the country's linguistic diversity. The Oromo are known for their unique music and dance, particularly their traditional dance called Adu, which is a captivating spectacle. The Oromo are also agriculturally inclined, with many Oromo engaged in farming and livestock rearing, contributing significantly to Ethiopia's economy. The Oromo's concept of Safu, an ethical and moral code, underpins their relationship with nature, promoting sustainable living and environmental conservation. Notably, the Oromo's Iricha Festival, a Thanksgiving celebration that gathers millions of Oromo together, showcases their unity and strong sense of community. This festival also highlights the Oromo's spiritual connection to their land and environment. In essence, the Oromo Nation's rich heritage, language diversity, unique traditions and festivals, agricultural prowess, and environmental consciousness make them an integral and fascinating part of Ethiopia. For more, subscribe Lehabisha YouTube channel.